Hi everyone, my name is Duncan, and today we're going to explore the Button Maker Steam Kit. We will look at what's included in the kit and how to set up the equipment. This kit is available for member public libraries to borrow for up to 3 weeks in order to support in-library programming. Borrowing the kit can also allow members to become familiar with the equipment before purchasing your own. We have 3 different sizes that you can make, and you will be supplied with enough materials for 50 buttons when you place your request. We do recommend staff supervision for this kit. Let's take a look at what's inside the kit. So inside you'll find the button press, and then depending on the size of button you've requested will depend on the size of the supplies you receive. And you'll only receive the supplies for the size you've requested. So that is the crimp die. Next is the shallow pickup die, and all of these are for the medium size button. This one is the deep pickup die, and then the medium-sized rotary cutter. We also include the materials, so this is what you will receive 50 of. So you'll get 50 shells, 50 of the pinned backs, and 50 of the mylar plastic coatings. So this is what makes the buttons look shiny. We also have samples of all 3 sizes available. Please do not give these away. These are so that you can see all of the sizing options we currently have. We also include a couple of C-clamps, and these are to secure the press to a table, and a couple wooden boards to protect the table and to use with the rotary cutter. Let's take a look at how to set up the equipment. First, you will want to secure the button press to a table with the wooden board and C-clamps. This will help to prevent the device from falling over when pulling on the handle. Next, you will grab the die set from the size you've requested. This is the large 2¼ inch set, and it includes the crimp die, shallow pickup die, and deep pickup die. Insert the die set into the machine. The crimp die is always on top. The shallow or the gold die will be on the left, and the deep or silver die on the right. You will want to create some button artwork. When you request the kit, we will email out PDF templates and free programs that allow you to make your own designs. Cut out your design with scissors or the rotary cutter. Be very careful with the rotary cutter as it is very sharp. You can cut out designs using one of the wooden boards, cardboard, or your own disposable base. Be warned, the cutter can cut into tables. Prepare your button parts with the provided supplies. You will need one of each: shell, your artwork, mylar plastic, and a pinned back. Supplies on the left in gold will go in the shallow pickup die, and supplies on the right, or in silver, will go in the deep die. Here is the press. Left is shallow, and right is deep. These are the steps for the shallow die, so shell, artwork, and then plastic. Line up the shallow die to the top crimp die and pull down the handle. Please don't pull more than it allows. The handle does not go completely down. For the deep die, place the pinned back piece with the pinned part facing down. And again, you will line up the deep die now to the top crimp die and pull down the handle. And voila, you now have a shiny new button. The Button Maker is an easy way to make a big impact. Please note that the machine is not intended for commercial use, meaning you cannot sell any of the buttons you create for any monetary value. Programs you might consider include Pop-Up Makerspace, teen groups, or button name tags. Please pack up the contents so there is minimal movement while transporting. To request the kit, you can email Barb to reserve a spot on the list. Please indicate which size of button you are interested in. If you have any questions about the kit or want to learn more, you can contact me at dlatosky@peacelibrarysystem.ab.ca. Thank you.